Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I look crazy. Kind of just wake up, but hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakir. I do lifestyle vlogs, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So yeah, it's summer. I've gone like 2 weeks, basically. What's a summer, or 1 and 4 days, I don't know what you call it. It's Friday, so this is like a weekend kind of vlog. Yeah, I've been vlogging for the past week. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get back into the vlogging kind of spirit. So yeah, today when I got back, I haven't been at home for the past 2 weeks basically. So I was at camp for the first week, and then I came back this Saturday, left the Monday, and then I came back yesterday. So I was at a conference, which you guys will see that vlog before this one. So yeah, I don't know what I go on. So I came out yesterday, and so I have like a lot of things that I need to do, a lot of cleaning, a lot of, you know, just putting back myself together. I need to just get back on track. Room untidy, well, the clothes to wash because no water, but we are gonna try and do as much as we can do today. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much. One done by about 11 or so, and it's like after 8 right now. So I don't know if I'm gonna just try clean up my room, unpack. Yeah, I'm gonna unpack it. So I'm gonna unpack, clean up my room, put away, wash it, put away. I need to wash some clothes today. Yeah, need to wash a little today. Yeah, I'm hungry, so we're gonna start with breakfast. So I'm gonna go find something for breakfast.
MT, you made this?
Guys, hey, so it is currently, what time is it? I don't even know. Probably about after 5, near 6 o'clock right now. Sun is setting and everything. So just showered, and I think I'm gonna play some Sims. I haven't played Sims in like a hot minute, so I'll have to go update the game and all these things. So probably not gonna play for now. But yeah, I feel like I want to light some candles. I put a new candle out on that dresser. I don't normally put a candle on that dresser, but I'm gonna light both my candles, see if I can smell up my room, get my room feeling all, I'm gonna pick my face, get my room feeling all cozy. Yeah.
Cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in gray. Winter, spring, fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Oh, drowning in my tears at night. Haunted by the limelight.
Good morning guys, and it is Saturday, so remember we're doing a weekend vlog. I didn't do much vlogging yesterday, I think. So we're up earlier today. It is like after 8 and I'm gonna be preparing breakfast this morning. Mom, so we're doing pancakes, so that's my job. So let's go do our pancakes. Alright guys, so we're gonna do that one. We're gonna do the what do you call that one? So we're gonna do the chocolate chip one because Mom likes chocolate chips. So she don't really like pancake like that, so I could just do that one. So Mom will actually enjoy the chocolate chips.
Miracle worker, make me new. I know there's nothing you can't do. Miracle worker, I need a miracle soon. Running on empty, the end of my road. Never thought I'd be the one losing hope. Put on a smile when I need to be someone else. I'm broken in pieces, lonely inside, but I heard that you save each tear that I cry. I know my help only comes from you. Miracle worker, make me new. I know there's nothing you can't do.
Okay, so breakfast is ready. I'm sweating, I'm hot. But yeah, breakfast is ready. I made some tetli tea with some last night because my and I'm out for now. I had tea there. So I made some tetli. So I'm gonna eat my pancakes right now. I'm gonna make one big pancake. Like, my restaurant, how big it is. I don't even know if this can take it up. Yeah, it's literally the entire plate. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and then I'll talk to you guys after breakfast.
Miracle worker, make me new. There's nothing you can't do. Miracle worker, I need a miracle soon. Running on empty, the end of my road. Never thought I'd be the one losing hope. Put on a smile when I need to be someone else. I'm broken in pieces, lonely inside, but I heard that you save each tear that I cry. I know my help only comes from you. Miracle worker, make me new. I know there's nothing you can't do. Miracle worker, I need a miracle soon. I need a miracle worker, make me new. I know there's nothing you can't do. Miracle worker, I need a miracle soon. I need a miracle.
Alright guys, so I have showered and just, you know, yeah, put on my clothes and all of these things. You want redo, but I'm supposed to be going to the beach on Thursday, so I don't know. I don't think I'm going to bother with that. But I don't know if we're going to it, but maybe because Mom's birthday is on Thursday of next week, so I don't know yet if we're going to go. But yes, If we do, then you guys will get that vlog. Yeah. So for the afternoon, I need to get some things off my phone because my phone right now is full. It is full. I think my phone, the memory on my phone right now, and bear you, my memory on my phone is 512 gigabytes, and right now I only have it's using 479.21 gigabytes. So as you can see, when you can see, that's the amount out here. So that's left, like applications and photos full up my phone, so I need it to go down. So I'm gonna go through my phone, especially the photos, the videos, and see if I can delete some things. Then I'm gonna go through the apps, probably can clear some cache or something. I don't know yet, but some things has to go. I don't, because apparently when a phone full up or near full, realize they start glitch, and I don't like that. So me I sweat, guys, because the place is so hot. I think I'm gonna turn on my fan, sit right over my bed, and go on the computer. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. Alright, guys, so I am ready for church. So ready for church. So gonna leave now because I need to let's go over and set up. So I'll see you guys when I get to church. I'm not carry a camera, I carry the phone, so I'll be vlogging on my phone. Or I should carry the camera. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna carry the camera. Like, I'm a vlogger. I need to vlog. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my sister. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my sister. Happy
Faith not comes twice in this chapter. So that's the theme of the chapter. Paul, writing to the church, in verse 1, he said, don't lose heart, because we're given this ministry.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.